Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to do a tool talk video on this Ettore. This is the Elite Cobweb duster. They also have a blue version that's just kind of a regular standard. So the difference you'll get from the regular Cobweb duster to this Elite is the Elite has much more, the bristles are stiffer. They hold their memory much better, so you're not going to get them to curl down after use. You can get so much more, just prolonged use out of the Elite over the regular. The Elite's only a few more dollars higher in price, so it's it's very well worth it to just go with the Elite. Just better version, more durable. You're going to get longer use out of it. So what we use it for is, here we are in a stairwell. So you can see this is a ledge that before we clean the windows, we're going to go and dust these ledges because they are so dirty. So you can see how dirty these ledges were. So we put this on the tip of a pole. What's nice about it's round about this duster, that you can spin it in a circle and you can see how it kicks dust out of corners. So when you use this, you can go back and forth, but then when you get to a corner, you can turn it, kicks it out. Let's look at Ettore Cobweb dusters out here, windowcleaningwarriors.com.